Welcome back to the channel, BMF Speed Shop. So just finished another little project I was working on. My hot rod wagon. Something that I started like a long ass time ago and I never finished. So every time I go to a swap meet, I end up buying one of these wagons to carry my stuff home. So I just thought I'd make kind of have a little fun with this one and do her out BMF Speed Shop style. So heck yeah, I think it turned out pretty cool. What do you think? If you want to see me do more stuff like this, hit the like button.